Morning, guys. Little Sunday morning chit chat with you. Like I said, I like to check in every day. I got my new, my brother got this for me for Christmas. It's my new Seahawks Salute to Service sweatshirt, hoodie. It looks pretty good. I like it. I think they make them for every team. This thing's pretty comfy, nice and warm too. I'm out here in the garage. It's about 30 degrees here in the garage still, so anyway, I'm not here to talk about the weather. So normally I do a little Sunday morning coffee chat, but we're going to do a little Sunday morning beer chat. We got football to watch today. Probably going to go over to my brother's and watch some of the games. I don't really like the I don't like the Bills. I really despise the Chiefs. I don't like the Bills for personal family reasons, but I'm hoping that God, that's a tough one for me. And that's the evening game. That's the one that's at 3:30. But that's a real tough one for me because I wish both teams could lose. Play to a tie until one team keels over. That would be ideal. I really don't like either one. If I had to pick between the two, just because I'm so tired of hearing about the Chiefs, I'd probably have to pick the Bills. I'm just so tired of hearing about Mahomes and Swift and Kelsey, as I'm sure you guys are. I hate the whole thing. And then they try to bring, was it last week? They tried to bring Caitlin Clark up into the booth to try to boost ratings or something because the NFL's ratings are failing profusely at the moment. They lost a lot of viewership. A lot of it's because of the officiating. So there's that game, and then the one that's on here in about an hour is the Washington-Philadelphia game. I just think Philadelphia's roster is better than anybody else's. And I just think that it's going to be too much, especially being at home for Washington. Even though they have an X factor, a good young, fast quarterback that seems to shine in the big moment. But I just think Philadelphia is going to be way too much for them. So that's enough about football. So yeah, I think the Super Bowl, my picks right now are Bills against Eagles, which would be kind of cool. I just want KC out of there. That's all I care about. But happy Sunday, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Just want to do a quick video this morning. Getting ready to take the family. We're going to go out to lunch, actually. But we go to this place where I can get these pretty nice IPAs. So, I'm going to polish this beer off. Wife's driving. I'm going to take them out to lunch. She's taking me out to lunch. I'm paying, though. And we're going to go have a nice lunch and a beer with lunch. So, and then we're going to watch some football. Game will be starting probably while we're still eating lunch, but that's fine. It's Seahawks aren't playing, so I don't have to have my full attention on it as long as I can watch it. So we're going to go do that today. And then, I hope everybody out there, is being positive, like I always preach, positivity. I'm still getting the negative comments, which there's always going to be trolls out there, and other guys are commenting that I should probably quit giving them any airtime. But it's entertaining for me, and I think when there's that going on YouTube, it's entertaining for the community as well. So if those guys want to keep saying ignorant comments, I'm going to respond, and if it escalates, it escalates. But I'm trying not to talk about it too much. But I know it is good for channel viewership and everything else. The whole Mikey Pipes thing where there's always got to be drama going on, and that's what fuels his channel. So it is what it is. I don't care either way. I'm just doing this for fun, guys. I'm not doing this to try to make a living off YouTube. That's for sure. So I got lots of good work coming up. I did sell the coil replacement yesterday. On the call I went out to, and then I gave 2 bids on heat pump jobs. I should get those too. They're referrals. They pretty much know what it's going to cost them, so I'll have that coming up. And then also I got my loose ends that I always have that I got to go take care of. So yeah, that's what's coming up. I'll keep this video about 5 minutes today here on this fine Sunday. And hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. If you haven't commented on some of the videos you'd like to, or you haven't hit that thumbs up button, please do. I appreciate the shares. If you share to some of your colleagues, get more people watching the channel, I'd really appreciate it. I'm working really hard at this, between all the videos I do and all the shorts and everything else I got going on. It takes time out of my day to do this. And you know, I don't have any help. It's just me. I'm a one-man band. One-man band HVAC. I don't have anybody else helping me, so it's all me. And if you've never done it, man, it's the toughest thing you'll ever do in your life. This is my second venture in this. The first one I did back in the mid-2000s. And I enjoy every minute of it, though. It's a lot of fun. Built good relationships with my customers, and keep moving forward with my business and with this channel. So in closing, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.